Hey guys, I'm doing a game review. This is my first game review, and today's game is Cluster Truck. I have played this before, that's why I'm on World 6, but yeah, this is a pretty cool game. It's got a lot of things you can do. You can go around driving all the trucks and stuff, and I really enjoy it. It's really cool. It's got a lot of things to do. You can buy upgrades, freeze time, whatever. You can get grappling hook. Right, you can play a lot of levels, a lot of worlds. It's a really cool game, and on a scale from 1 to 10 bananas, I'd give it maybe a 7. So yeah, that's my review of this game. Yeah.